Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about the science of habit formation. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you understand the psychology and neuroscience behind building lasting habits that can transform your life. Whether you're looking to improve your health, boost productivity, or break old routines, learning the science of habit formation will give you the tools to make real, sustainable changes. Together, we'll explore how to use proven techniques to create positive habits, replace unproductive ones, and ultimately achieve your long-term goals. Let's dive in and unlock the power of habit formation. Understanding the science of habit formation is essential for anyone looking to create lasting change in their life. At mp3.Academy, we focus on helping you understand the psychological and neurological processes that govern how habits are formed, sustained, and ultimately changed. Habits are behaviors that become automatic over time, triggered by cues in your environment. By mastering the science of habit formation, you can learn how to harness this natural process to create positive routines that improve your well-being, productivity, and overall success. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. The foundation of habit formation lies in the cue routine reward loop. This loop is the basic structure of any habit where a cue triggers a specific behavior, the routine, which is then followed by a reward that reinforces the behavior. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to identify the cues that lead to your existing habits and how to reshape this loop to support healthier, more productive behaviors. Understanding this structure gives you the ability to modify old habits or create new ones that align with your goals. An important aspect of habit formation is repetition. The brain strengthens connections between neurons through repeated behavior, making actions more automatic over time. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of consistently practicing new behaviors until they become second nature. The more often you perform a routine in response to a cue, the stronger the neural pathways associated with that habit become. This is why repetition is key to forming lasting habits. Your brain needs time to build the automatic responses that make habits stick. One of the challenges in habit formation is overcoming the brain's preference for familiar behaviors. The brain is wired to conserve energy, so it tends to resist change in favor of established routines. At mp3.Academy, we guide you through strategies to gradually introduce new behaviors, making it easier for your brain to adapt. By starting with small, manageable changes, you can bypass the brain's resistance and slowly build up new habits that eventually replace old, unproductive ones. Motivation plays a crucial role in the science of habit formation. While motivation can be a powerful catalyst for change, it is not always reliable. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to rely less on fleeting motivation and more on creating systems that support your habits. This includes setting up accountability measures, creating a supportive environment, and structuring rewards that reinforce the behavior. By doing so, you can sustain your habits even when motivation wanes, ensuring that you stay on track. The brain also responds strongly to rewards when it comes to habit formation. Positive reinforcement strengthens the habit loop, encouraging the brain to repeat the behavior in the future. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of choosing meaningful rewards that motivate you to maintain your habits. These rewards can be external, like treating yourself to something you enjoy, or internal, like the satisfaction of completing a task. Either way, the reward is crucial for solidifying the habit loop in your brain. Another factor in habit formation is the environment in which you operate. Your surroundings play a significant role in triggering certain habits. At mp3.Academy, we help you create an environment that encourages positive behaviors and minimizes triggers for negative ones. Whether it's setting up a designated space for work or removing distractions from your living area, designing a supportive environment makes it easier to stick to your desired habits. Stress can often derail habit formation, as the brain tends to revert to familiar patterns when under pressure. At mp3 Academy, we teach you how to manage stress effectively so that it doesn't interfere with your habit-building efforts. By incorporating mindfulness techniques, relaxation strategies, and time management skills, you can reduce the likelihood of stress causing you to slip back into old, unproductive habits. The process of breaking bad habits follows the same principles as forming new ones, but with the added challenge of disrupting deeply ingrained routines. At mp3 Academy, we guide you through the steps of identifying the cues and rewards associated with your bad habits, and then replacing the routine with a healthier behavior. This approach helps you break free from old habits by focusing on gradual, sustainable change rather than forcing an abrupt shift. In conclusion, understanding the science of habit formation is key to building lasting, positive habits that support your long-term goals. At mp3 Academy, we provide the knowledge and tools you need to master this process, from identifying the habit loop to creating supportive environments and managing stress. By focusing on repetition, rewards, and gradual change, you can successfully develop new habits and break old ones, leading to a healthier and more productive life.